Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to follow up on some of the ideas that I had shared last night and then take the idea into a new name today. So, in yesterday's free video, we were talking about the idea that Amazon had made a really nice run here, falling, considerably short of 1700, but just getting a lot of questions from people of thinking, all right, can I actually try and put a butterfly up here thinking that it will rally into those levels? Well, it may happen, but the higher probability way of constructing this trade, in my mind, after a big run higher, is to actually look at the unbalanced butterfly. It's a slightly different strategy, but the thing that I like about it is that if you can take in a credit, well, it will give you no risk to the downside. So if you do get up there at 1700 and you pin, this is still the area of maximum profit, but if you roll over and fall short of that, well, then you'll still make money. So I think that's a great way of applying the trade. Got a decent entry on that idea today, and now we just have to see how it plays out into Friday. I think you can apply the exact same type of strategy by coming in and taking a look at Google. Now, if you prefer to think that it will pin at 1200 and you're more delta neutral, well, then the iron fly would be a fine strategy, basically doing the at-the-money short straddle and then buying wings for protection. That's a good strategy too, but if you understand that idea of looking at it and saying, well, Google's had a pretty good run, maybe it's a little extended at these areas, and I think that it will stay below this $1,200 price point. If nothing else, you're getting a decent credit on the strategy, and it would be a place to look at it into tomorrow. So, right now the market's closed, of course, but you could kind of get an idea where if that gapped up tomorrow and you could get it for $1.50 credit, then you're going to have $350 of risk, and it trades really well at lower prices. It trades very well at 1200, and the only place that it really gets hurt is if it keeps advancing in a really strong way. So, it's just food for thought after, we've had such a strong move, maybe kind of gently fading or playing these moves to a neutral way as you get into the witching expiration, I think is a good strategy to look at adding to your trading plan. So I hope it's helpful, and we will see you at the next free video.